Hi, I'm Lisa Miller, and welcome to the Campus News Desk, where we provide you with updates, announcements, and valuable insights on what's happening at Trinity. This is our Campus Roundup. Some great news for St. Vincent. Travel and Leisure magazine has just ranked the top 25 islands in the Caribbean, and we were thrilled to learn Trinity's home of St. Vincent and the Grenadines took the #1 spot. Voters mentioned the island nation's endless opportunities for hiking, sailing, snorkeling, diving, and day trips to other islands. One comment even called it heaven on earth, and we at Trinity couldn't agree more. September 29th marked the annual celebration of World Heart Day, an international day of advocacy for heart health. Created by the World Heart Federation, this day brings global awareness to the fact that cardiovascular disease, including heart disease and stroke, is the world's leading cause of death, claiming 18.6 million lives each year. Among the day's many celebrants was the World Pediatric Project, a Trinity partner organization that provides an average of 60 heart surgeries and 500 diagnostic screenings for children in need annually. We at Trinity are so proud to be partnered with such an amazing organization. We know that being a Canadian student who wants to return to Canada, your path may look a little different. So we are so excited to take this opportunity to highlight the Canadian Advisory Board, chaired by Dr. Paul Cooper, a visiting Trinity professor of neurology from Western University in London, Ontario, and a colleague of Trinity alum Dr. Kirk Vanatambi, a PGY3 in orthopedic surgery. Dr. Cooper and the board offer guidance to our Canadian students and help them navigate the Canadian Resident Matching Service. The Trinity chapter of the American Medical Student Association in Warner Robins has lined up some events and volunteer opportunities that you won't want to miss. First, there will be a virtual event on October 20th featuring guest speaker Dr. Sarah Gupta. The virtual event, presented in collaboration with GoodRx, will focus on the importance of primary care and social factors of health. At their next event on October 22nd, students will be volunteering at the First United Methodist Soup Kitchen in Warner Robins, where they will be conducting a free health clinic and administering vital sign checks and testing blood glucose levels. Trinity students are always looking for ways to give back to their communities. Next up, we want to touch on the status of the ongoing doctor shortage in the U.S. This shortage has been growing more severe in recent years due to a variety of factors. The Association of American Medical Colleges predicts that over a third of all active physicians will be retiring in the next 10 years. Rural areas are the most likely to be deeply affected by the physician shortage, and there are many counties in the United States that don't have access to any doctors at all. We encourage students who are studying to become a physician, or even those considering medical school, to always remember how desperately they are needed. And we hope that need will serve as inspiration on their journey to becoming an MD. Our next story is quite literally a mess, but a fun mess. Trinity students enjoyed a group outing by participating in Atlanta's Foam Glow 5K. These races move across the country, and proceeds from the events support the Children's Miracle Network organization and pediatric cancer research. Lastly, if you're considering applying to or attending Trinity School of Medicine, we hope you'll join us for our upcoming webinar on October 21st, as we will focus on the 3 major distinctions that really set Trinity apart from all other Caribbean schools. You can register now by visiting our website's event page. That wraps up this edition of the Campus News Desk. On behalf of our Trinity family, thank you for joining us. I'm Lisa Miller, and I will see you next time.